Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ken, and today we're going to be talking about Pareto Principle. As the name suggested, Pareto comes from someone named Pareto. Wilfredo Pareto is the full name, and uh, long time ago, he found out that 80% of the wealth belongs to 20% of people. I think it was in Italy. This is not, like I said, the cold hard fact that is exactly 80-20, but it is it depicts a picture that only a small amount of people control a very big amount of wealth. And further study also actually shown that only a small amount of percentage of work you do bring in a high results, not everything that you do. And this is actually used for optimization of workflow, optimization of business. And this principle is also called 80-20 principle. And derived cost is 80% of the result come from 20% of the work being done. And it's a good guidance to use for you to streamline your work and to know whether uh, which of your effort is actually making the best results, so you don't end up doing everything. Yeah. And also you also use a lot in root cause analysis when I was in engineering firm. So usually we will do like a root cause analysis and to see, for example, this machine fail, and why does it always fail. And then you will notice that the some of the major failures is because of this certain few. We may think that it is cause of a lot of reasons, but we have a lot of reasons, but actually only changing that top reasons. So when you see a Pareto chart, there's always it's a distribution chart where the thing that the frequency of happening the most is always at the left, then followed by this. You'll see that most of the reason something happened is actually at the first one. Once you fix this one right, immediately you see results in your end. And this is very good to focus, because everyone can throw an idea. It could be happening because of this, it could be happening because of this, it could be happening because of that. But you, without a proper way of doing, without a proper way of focus, you just try to tackle everything, end up you are tackling nothing. And in using this principle, you're able to, for example, like I mentioned in the graph, you have the frequency of it happening and what's the main reason and the frequency of it happening. So you tackle the main reason first, then the other reason you can see that it may be a byproduct of that reason and things like that. So by the moment you settle the first reasons, you'll know that your productivity will increase significantly, and the rest is just maybe outliers and things like that. It is true for business as well. You may be doing a lot of activities, paperwork, admins, HR, all the tiny work, but actually the one that bring business in are mostly in sales, contract, and but we still have to deliver. So we have to think of a way to balance this out and focus on things that actually bring in the most results with the least work. And that's how you optimize on whether your work or your business. So the step that you can really use this 80-20 principle is to actually have list down what's the potential things that you want to look at, you know, and then you put it in the list of significance. For example, in business, the one that brings in most money is this customer, then the rest all don't bring in money. So what would happen if you cut off those that don't make money, I mean make the least money, and you focus on the main one, or you find a similar customer like the main one, and provide a certain solution which is following the main one, follow the main model, and you cut off the rest, all the others least money, the one that take up lots of time, because 80-20% also means that 20% of people actually suck up 80% of your time. So it's a general kind of principle, but it also act as a life principle. And although the figure may not be 80-20, but it just shows that there's actually a little portion of things make a huge impact. So if you're able to identify that, you can optimize on your workflow, whether it's in your career or business or whatever that you do, and then you'll be able to see that by just tweaking the 20%, you will see a huge change in your results. So I hope this is helpful for you. So in 80-20 is just an introduction to 80-20 principle or Pareto principle, and how you can actually use the Pareto principle for whatever that you do. Uh, as you start off with listing, then prioritizing, and then fixing it. So it's yeah, I just came out of fly, but basically it's roughly these three things. You list out all your things, then you prioritize which one important, and you fix and you focus on the one that is the priority. So it's these three steps. And I hope it's helpful for you. If you like what I share, do like my video and give me a thumbs up. Yeah, I think YouTube is called like. Just like my video and subscribe to my channel to give me a support. And I hope to hear from you. You know, hope to see you soon in my next video. Bye bye.